again what we are going to do over here, so the AC circuits with resistor, so how it is going to behave in that case when you connect this external source of AC to a resistor. So I know that then the value of current is nothing but simple, we can say that. So this is your I that you have to find. So we know that I is equals to V upon R. So this V is given, which is Vm sine omega t for this particular case upon R. So this I is equals to, I can say I naught sine omega t. So further what we can say for this particular case, so this I naught is obviously Vm upon R. Fine. So just according to that we have got the expression for your current also. I is equals to I naught. Yeah. So we have got I is equals to I naught sine omega t, and already we are just having V is equals to Vm sine omega t over here. So these are the two expressions that we have got, and for this case obviously we can say that both the voltage and current, they are in the same phase. That means either they are just getting their value maximum or minimum at the same instant of time. So the one which I have shown that by this dotted line is nothing but obviously for the current. So let's say this is your I naught, let's say this is nothing but your Vm. Yeah. So that is, we can say that they are in the same phase, so they are attaining their maximum or minimum value at the same instant of time. So this is the AC circuit with resistor over here. So the same thing which we had just shown in this case also, that is nothing but your wave diagram. So where that voltage and current, they are in the same phase for this case.